here we are, with the weekly tech update. So, let's get started. Dating giant Match introduced a dating app for single parents. Match is a company of Match Group, which owns over a dozen dating applications, including Tinder, OkCupid, and Hinge. It recently launched Stir, a dating app for connecting single parents. Stephen Wilhite, the creator of Format GIF, has passed away. Creator of the internet's most popular short video format GIF, passed away at the age of 74. In a phone interview, his wife Kathleen said that he died of COVID on March 14th. Intel will be launching the world's fastest desktop CPU on April 5th. Intel's Core i9 12900KS processor uses the best-performing 12900K silicon, capable of being pushed to higher clock speed, up to 5.5 GHz, making it world's fastest desktop CPU. GTA is adding a new subscription service in its online version. GTA Online gamers will be able to subscribe to a new service from Rockstar Games. $5.99 per month subscription service that provides gamers special benefits will be added in GTA Plus. Apple has lowered the production of the iPhone SE by 20% and also reduced orders for AirPods by about 10 million units for 2022. In less than 3 weeks after launching the product, Apple is scaling back production of its new budget iPhone SE due to weaker than expected demand. Elon Musk says that he's considering building a new social media platform regarding the free speech principles. In a tweet on Saturday, he has now given a clue of his next major move, as he said, he is giving serious thought to building a new social media platform. TikTok is testing a watch history option, so we can finally find that video we saw. TikTok appears to be on the approach of giving us a simple method to navigate through a list of the videos that we've viewed on the app. Vivo's first foldable smartphone is launching next month. Naming it Vivo X Fold, a teaser has released by Vivo last week, and is gearing up to launch its first foldable smartphone on April 11th. And at number 9, it's a good news for GPU buyers, because of the GPU shortage and excessive increase in prices. Asus has stated that it'll be reducing the prices of its AMD and NVIDIA graphics cards by 20 to 30%. This massive price drop will begin on April and will influence the MSRP of a wide range of gaming GPUs. Apple will no longer repair iPhones that have been reported or marked as missing. Company now allows Apple stores and authorized service providers to deny a repair if they're notified of its missing status in their Mobile Genius or GSX systems. Apple's new policy is designed to prevent its service from fixing phones that may have fallen into the wrong hands. Crypto hackers steal over $615 million from network that runs popular game Axie Infinity. The popular blockchain game Axie Infinity, which lets users earn money as they play, lost around $615 million in USDC. The security breach was confirmed by Axie Infinity's official Discord and Twitter accounts, and by Ronin Network, which underpins the game. Metamask now allows Apple users to purchase cryptocurrency using their debit and credit cards through Apple Pay. Popular crypto wallet service Metamask, which runs on web browsers like Firefox, Google Chrome, and other Chromium-based browsers, has announced support for Apple Pay, allowing users to buy cryptocurrencies with debit or credit cards through the mobile app without the need of transferring through cryptocurrency exchanges. Cybercriminals stole user data from Meta and Apple using phony law enforcement data requests last year. Bloomberg reports that, in mid-2021, the two tech giants were fooled into handing over basic users' details, including users' home addresses, IP addresses, and telephone numbers. Besides Meta and Apple, a number of other major tech companies have reportedly been targeted, including Snapchat and Discord, although it's unclear that these companies fell for the scam or not. Google Meet is getting emoji reactions at real-time meeting and a picture-in-picture mode. Google is announcing updates in Meet intended to improve virtual collaboration, adding in-meeting emoji reactions. Google is also adding a picture-in-picture mode, which could be a useful feature to let us see who's speaking even when we aren't in the active Meet tab. This will be available in April, when we will be using Meet in the Chrome browser. Instagram is bringing several new features to improve the messaging experience of its users. Instagram is getting updates with new options when sending direct messages on its platform. The most useful is to quickly reply to a DM directly from your feed, without having to go into your inbox and lose your place. There are also new share options including silent messages, as well as the ability to send song previews up to 30 seconds, and the option to conduct polls in group chats. Samsung announced the self-repair program for Galaxy customers in collaboration with iFixit. Samsung has launched a self-repair program in the US. It announced a new self-repair program that will give Galaxy customers access to parts, tools, and guides to repair their own devices. The program is in collaboration with iFixit, which is a popular website for parts and repair guides. Twitter is working towards a feature which will be letting multiple users to co-author a tweet. Twitter has confirmed that it is exploring a new feature that would allow two accounts to co-author a single tweet. App researcher Alessandro Paluzzi has been posting evidence of the feature's development since last December. A screenshot shared by Paluzzi showing users can invite other accounts to collaborate with them on a tweet shows that it has taken its development a step further. Shiba Inu's metaverse is going to auction over 100,000 virtual plots, priced up to 1 Ethereum. Shiba Inu creators have begun teasing its community members with details on its upcoming metaverse project called Shiv, the Metaverse. A total of 100,595 virtual land plots will be put up for sale on Shiba Inu's metaverse, price ranging from 0.2 to 1 Ethereum. This much for today. And thank you for watching. If you found it valuable, consider subscribing.